What's up, guys? In today's video, I will show you how to delete an autocomplete email address in Microsoft Outlook. If Outlook keeps suggesting an old or incorrect email address whenever you compose a new email, don't worry. You can remove it in just a few clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and sign in to your account if necessary. Next, click New Email to open a new message. Inside the To field, start typing the name or email address that's appearing in the autocomplete list. When the suggested email address appears, move your mouse over it and you'll see a small X icon on the right side of the suggestion. Simply click the X to remove that email address from the autocomplete list. If you don't see the X, you can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to highlight the suggestion, then press the delete key to remove it. To make sure it was removed successfully, start typing the same name or email address again. If the suggestion no longer appears, the autocomplete entry has been deleted. And that's it. That is how to remove an autocomplete email address in Microsoft Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.